Hey guys, welcome. I'm in my car. You know what that means. Let's try something. I have here is a new offering from Coca-Cola. It's an interesting looking package. Let's take a look. It's called Coca-Cola Starlight. It's a zero sugar soda, which is good. It's a limited edition. It's space flavored. What does that mean? Is it going to taste like rocks? Let's see what space tastes like, shall we? It's kind of reddish tint. That space was black and blue and starry all over. Actually, let's smell it. Wait. Kind of smells faintly of cotton candy, actually. Not bad. It kind of tastes like cotton candy too, a little bit. Kind of like yeah, tastes just like cotton candy. It's good, but I'm disappointed. I was hoping it tastes like space. I guess space tastes like cotton candy. Well, you heard it here, folks. First, space tastes like cotton candy. If you have any questions, comments, put them down below. I'll respond to you. If you have any suggestions, put them down below. I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends if you like them. I don't know, someone might like them. It's weird, but I don't know. Whatever. You guys have a great day. Bye.